Hey, what's up, champion? Hope you're doing fantastically well. And today I wanted to talk with you about faith and fear. So if you're watching a replay of this video, please do me a massive favor and stick hashtag replay into the comments. If you're brand new, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, I'd really appreciate if you said new in the comments. Would love to say hi to you and welcome you to the tribe. And of course, if you do get value from this video, feel free to share it. Maybe somebody else will get some value too, or you can just tag people into the comments below so they can see this video too. So faith versus fear, or when faith replaces fear, then clouds disappear. Now, the faith I'm talking about is not necessarily a religious faith, but faith in what you do, right? We could say it's confidence. We could say it's being sure about it. We could say it's believing about it, right? But as one of the leaders that I follow said, the story of faith and the story of doubt cannot live in the same person at the same time. You're either scared or you're doubting yourself, or you're confident, you have faith that it's going to work out. You can't have the both. And one of the concepts I shared last night with our team on a team training call was the fact that everybody has the equal amount of faith. You see, sometimes you hear people say, "Oh, I wish I had so much faith as so and so. Oh, I wish I had so much faith as that top leader who's getting great results. Because if I had so much faith as they have, for sure I'm gonna would get great results, right?" But that's an incorrect thinking. What I mean by that is that everybody has equal amount of faith. Nobody has more faith or less faith. The difference is just, where do you invest the faith, right? So the person who you look up to, the successful person, has faith that it's going to work out, has faith that they're going to win, has faith that their goals will become reality. While the unsuccessful person has the same amount of faith, but they believe that they will be unsuccessful. They believe that they will fail. They believe that they're not clever enough. They believe that it's not going to work out for them. It's the same amount of faith, but they've invested it in believing that they're going to fail. While another person took the same amount of faith and invested it in believing that they will succeed. It's the same amount of faith. It's just where you apply it. Where do you invest it? So when you're scared, when you're feeling the fear, when you're doubting yourself, when you think that it's not going to work out, you are investing your faith into believing those things. But at any time, you have a choice. At any time, you have a choice. You can choose to say, no, 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 no. I choose not to believe in that. I choose not to carry on thinking about the fact that I can fail, that it's not going to work out, that I'm not good enough, etc. I choose to believe that I will win. I choose to believe that I will reach my goals. I choose to believe that it will work out. That's where I'm going to be investing my faith, and things will turn out much better. So that's the tip for today. Hope you got value. If you did, feel free to share this video. And of course, if you're not yet in a home-based business and you'd like to start earning extra income from home, drop me a message. We'll be more than happy to share with you what is it that I do. Have a great day, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.